I'm trying to laugh like her. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is fucking cute. I did not expect this to be this cute. Like,
Hot Barbie summer.
What Juicy say? Like,
Don't run from me, free.
real ass nigga give a fuck about a bitch.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this hot girl summer makeup look inspired by Meg The Stallion from the video Hot Girl Summer. I just think it's so cute. It was so easy. Literally, this look was so goddamn easy. I set up the lights, the camera, and filmed in literally an hour. The only thing that was janky is my wig. That's why it's like we from here down. But anyways, this makeup is so cute. It's literally so easy. I think I used 2 palettes and that's it. Also, I use the same palettes for like my contour, blush, all of that. So if you guys are interested, make sure you just go ahead and keep watching, and if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment down below. And yeah, I hope you guys start and prime my lid with some concealer. And this hair is all up in the way, but I don't know any other way. Like this hairstyle, I want it to be kind of like hers, not exactly like it. So I want to like leave my little 2 things in the front and the 2 on the side, because she has like ponytail. I didn't do a full ponytail because my wig's not made like that. But yeah, and if you hear anything, that's the kids in the back watching Peppa Pig. I'm gonna use, what is this, a Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini right here. Ooh. Lord Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna start with the color Zobo, this one right here, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that all in the crease area because that'll be my main like blending color, kind of, not really, kind of. I'm just using a fluffy blending brush. This mother effing wig. And then I'm gonna bring it out. You know what? This would have been like the look to use tape for, to get that sharp cut crease or whatever, but it was hard enough to set this shit up. So we're just gonna do without it. I think I'm gonna use Aga, that one right there. Use the same blending brush and kind of blend that on top of that one, like towards the brow bone. Like, so it's still like I'm not going all, well, yeah, I'm kind of going over the purple, but just not the whole place where I put it, kind of. But that already like looks like it. Like, see, this is why I wanted to do this, because I knew it wouldn't be too difficult, because the look just looks like, it honestly looks like, other than like the dramatic cut crease, it literally looks like my like everyday glam type makeup. So, and then I did a poll on my Instagram if I should do this or Asian doll, and everybody voted for this one. Like, ain't nobody fucking with Asian doll. So, oh, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram right here, _Kayla Nichole. I also have 2 other Instagrams. I have Caked by Kayla, which is one for my makeup clients and hair clients, and then I have my Kayla Nichole Visuals, which is for visuals. Why does that look like that right here? Oh no, is that my veins? Oh my god, hold up. My damn ass, which eye is that? Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, but I'm gonna do that off camera because again, I'm blind as fuck. So like, there's no way possible I can't do that without being like this close to the mirror. Either I'm gonna have the mirror, like, there's just no way I know how to show that on camera. So I will be right back. That one right there, I think is gonna go so perfect. And I typically use a, or yeah, I would usually use like a regular flat eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna use like this fluffy angled, what is this? It says a precision brush. But I'm gonna use this one because I just think, because this is such a big area, usually my cut, I'd be doing like halos or like a really small cut crease, it would work. So I'm just gonna do this. And yeah, I put a lot on there just because I don't want it to look crazy. Or I just want the color to pop. Usually I would use a setting spray, but kind of out right now.
A few moments later.
That's when, you know what, damn, I really should have just got some setting spray before I did this, but we're already started. And you know what, I was not supposed to put color like in my inner corner because in hers, if you watch the video, you know, she has on like a little, that's why I want a little bodysuit or whatever. Like a zebra print bodysuit in one of the scenes, and it's like a lime green, so in the inner corner she has a lime green. I'm gonna still do it, but I was not supposed to put the goldish color there. It kind of blends in with the concealer, so I feel like you guys maybe not be able to see it that well. But I am gonna go in with the Morphe James Charles palette because I know this one has the green, and I should use, I feel like I'm gonna, I know that I've lost the thing with all the titles. I know this is Face. I'm not sure what this one is, but I'm gonna mix Face in this one and put that on top of this. But for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use a real eyeshadow brush. Or like, honestly, for the eyes, other than the green, like that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner. I have never used anything else. Well, yeah, I've used some else, but I don't like any other eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Let me see, in black, of course. But oh, the green. I'm gonna put some now, but I feel like I'm gonna have to go back because foundation and everything gets in here. But for that, I'm gonna use the James Charles one. That's why I grabbed it and put this green with this white. King, let him be. Alright. They're a little, I don't know. Oh my gosh. You guys. King, don't worry about him. Alright, get out the bathroom. Alright, my favorite foundation lately, and you can kind of see it's like getting empty. It's the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I use the color Golden Toffee. This shit is so bomb. Like, I feel like my favorite drugstore foundation was a Maybelline Fit Me, but this is now my new one. So and then I'm gonna use, what is this? An e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I like to use this if I'm not using a beauty blender, and so I'm just use this today. And I just like to put it like that. And then you put your concealer on, and then, oh my god. Could you pull up your pants before you leave the bathroom? This is an almond. I used to use fawn, and then I moved down because I felt like that one's too light. What was that? I think that was from fawn to tawny or toffee, and then that one was too dark or light, and then I started using this one. This one still seems too light, so I just don't know. Next time I'm gonna get like coordinated on colors, because last time I got, after I stopped using the fawn, I got this one in like toffee. Toffee was close, but still not the right color. So yeah, I'm in the process of trying to figure out. I don't know. I want to say I usually like to use a beauty blender for this, but then I stopped because I feel like it removes some of the product, or sometimes like I don't know. I can't figure it out. So this brush honestly is like my favorite thing to use for under eye concealer, just because I like to I don't like to go in right under my eye. I like to blend it down first, especially since this is a little bit lighter. Like, you don't want it to look like fucking triangle light and then brown, you know what I'm saying? I like to blend it down first while I'm letting the concealer directly under my eye dry. And then eventually I'll just blend it down. And like for here, I don't drag it down. Like you see right here, I'm dragging it, but when you get up top, you don't do that, you just pat. Because you don't want to move any of the product. You don't want it to look patchy, because then if it looks patchy and then you put powder, it's gonna look cakey. So to avoid that, this green looks popping. Like, goddamn, that is popping. And I do use, I already done did this, the Airspun translucent powder. It's just one of my favorite drugstore translucent powders, and I'll just pat it under. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in dark / profound 40. I don't know. Use the Maybelline, the Morphe 35 Art Contour. If you can't tell, these two brown colors right here, I like to mix them. Because hers is more warm, I'm gonna just use this one. If you can't tell, because they're like almost gone, but I literally, if I can find those single shadows from this palette, I would buy like a compact of it, because it's like the best contour for me. For most skin tone. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlight. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild loose highlighting powder in Mega Glow. Which one is this? This is all glow up. I love this because I don't have to use no product. I'll just use what's, or like I don't have to dip anything. I'll always just use what's in the lid. I'm using this as like a Clinique brush. I'm not sure what it's for, but I like to use it because of how, I think it's synthetic, so how it like goes, it's perfect. I don't know if that makes sense. It doesn't, but whatever. Oh yes, this is like the bombest fucking, oh my god. This highlighter is so popping. I feel like I'm gonna use this until it runs out, which it's like, with such little product you need, it's like, I don't know when I would run out. Look at that, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is fucking cute. I did not expect this to be this cute. Like, I know it was gonna be cute, but I didn't know it was gonna be this cute. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm so extra. Okay, I'm gonna take this green. It's called Mally. And I'm gonna put that on top of the other green just because I think this one might have more shimmer, which is why I tried to add the white, because the green I used from the James Charles, oh no. It was matte. Okay, I don't like that. And then as I add more. Kind of. Okay, that works. Alright, favorite lip color. I'm gonna put brown first. This is the brown I use every day for my lips. It's like not sharpened. I'm damn near cutting myself, but I don't feel like trying to find it. It's like we're almost done. I want to go ahead and finish to do the intro. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the Brooklyn Thorn on top of it. And then I'm using the NYX Lingerie. What is this? In Bustier? Bustar? Bustar? Okay. And I'm gonna just put that. Okay, no, I think I did it. I think I did it. Now I'm gonna use, I think this is Wet n Wild. This is like their zodiac sign lip glosses. This is the Libra one. The one, shit. The one for my sign, I'm a Sagittarius. I don't know. I think they either didn't have it or it wasn't cute. And I like pink lip gloss, so I got this one. And it's sparkly, and her whole look, like she had glitter all over her body. Oh yes, oh my god, yes. I can't believe, oh, I didn't put on no mascara. I'm like, I can't believe I'm done. I know I missed something. I mean, my wig looks like trash, but the makeup, ooh, yes. The only thing we're missing is if I had some fucking setting spray just to like let it, the powder, like, I don't know, wet it up, you know what I'm saying? Usually I like to use, if I don't have the setting spray, I'll just like let it sweat in, which is what I'm gonna have to do. But luckily I have this bright ass light in front of me, so it'll sweat it in. Okay. This mascara is kind of trash, so I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it's called. If you know good mascara, please comment below, because Lord Jesus, that is something I just cannot figure out. And then it's like, because I feel like I wear fake lashes, like who cares? I'm gonna add some of this Victoria's Secret lip gloss. It's just like a pink, just because the other ones leave my lips feeling kind of dry, and this one like really moisturizes it. Okay. See if I can zoom in. Oh wait, here it goes tripping. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh my lord. Look at it, like. Let me move my hand because my nails ain't there. And then wait, no, I'm gonna put my hand to cover up that janky shit. Yes, bitch, yes. All my pictures gonna be cropped from here now. Oh no, oh no. I am so stupid, but okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe for more. This will be the first in my female rap series. I literally have so many looks written down and planned. Like every week I'm gonna do a new female rapper from like one of their videos. This one is a part 1 because I also want to do Big Old Freak. I have a whole look for that, so fucking cute. An Asian doll one, Rico Nasty one. Oh, and then I want to do the Sweetie My Type part 1 and 2 because there's 2 looks in there I think are so bomb I want to do. And yeah, I'm just start with that. So if you guys like this, go ahead, comment, like, share, subscribe, whatever. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.